for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, anti-lock braking system, remote engine start, tow hitch, keyless entry, stability control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, alloy wheels, keyless start, auto-dimming rear view mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.